Hi everyone, welcome to your Thursday Letters and Sounds lesson. We're going to get started straight away. So you are going to need your whiteboard and your pen, and if you've got it handy, your sound mat too. Okay, for our learning today, we are going to need to make sure that we are doing our good sitting. So make sure you're sitting comfortably and you've got the things you need in front of you. We're going to make sure that where we're sitting is quiet, so make sure there's nothing that's going to distract you from your learning. We're going to make sure we're doing our good looking, here's looking at you guys, and as always, our good listening. So let's switch those listening ears on, and we're ready. Okay, we're going to start with our sounds again, so let's warm our voices up. Put your hand here and do a really low sound. Ready? Oh, and now we're going to move all up to a high sound and feel what it feels like on your fingers. Ready? Oh, wow. Let's try on the other side. Let's see if we can feel it on this hand too. And this time we're going to go from high down to low. So starting really high. Oh, amazing. Well done. Shake your hands out. Get yourselves ready. Everyone joining in at home. Here we go. Ja, ja, ja. Wa, wa. Ks, ks. Ya, ya. Z, z. Qua, qua. Ch, ch. Sh, sh. A, E, I, O, ooh, ah, o, ow, oi, ia, yer, fantastic. Well done everyone. Let's have a look and see what our game is today. Ooh, it's Find the Word game. So we've got a picture here and we need to see which word is the right one. Is it going to be this one or is it going to be this one? So can you first tell me what you can see in this picture? What is it? A hammer. Well done. So let's have a look at those words and see which one we think is the best. So I can see that both of the words have got the sound at the end, but what does hammer start with? Hammer. Hammer. What can you hear? Hammer. It's a... So hammer starts with a... Have you found the word yet? Can you point to it for me? It's this one! Fantastic! Let's have a look and see if we can read that word just to check. So all together, sounding out the word with me now. Hammer. Very good. That one does sound right, but we're going to read the other one just in case. Here we go. Ladder. Is this a ladder? Nah, it's a hammer. So let's see if we've got it right. Hammer! Yay! Well done, guys. Okay, here's our first sound of the day. It's got 3 letters, but it's one sound. What does that mean it's called? Can you tell me? It's a trigraph. 3 letters, 1 sound is a trigraph. Now, can you tell me what sound it is? What? Oh, ear. Fantastic. Now we're going to practice writing ear on our board. So you're going to need to get your whiteboard and your pen. Take your lid off your pen and draw a line ready for your writing. You've got 5 seconds. And 1. Okay, so on the line, every time. Our first letter is our E. So we're going to go E, then an A, up, make a hook, back, round, down and kick. Then for our R, short line up, back down to the line, very important. Back up to the top, make a little bridge. Okay, when you've written ear on your line, we're going to put something at the front to make it into a word. And today, we're going to put in a y. So just before your E, you're going to go up, back down, make a bucket, under the line, loop and kick. When we've done that, we're going to do our dots and dashes. Dot, ya, ear. Okay, now you need to read the word and tell me what it is. What do you think this says? Yeah. Ooh, I think I could hear some of you saying it. Let's have a go all together now. Here we go. Ya, ear, year. Like a year, like I am so many years old, not telling you. Okay, you might be 5 years old or 4 years old. Very good, guys. Now, we're going to go to our next sound now. Can everyone tell me what this sound is? It's air. Fantastic. Is air a trigraph or a digraph? What do you think? It's got 3 letters. It's 1 sound, which means it's a trigraph. Fantastic. Now we need to practice our writing. So if you've got room on your board, do it on the line. Otherwise, draw a line underneath or make yourself a new line now. Holding your pen ready for writing. Our first sound is an A. So we're going to go down to the line every time. Make a hook, back, round, make a circle, down, kick. Don't take your pen off the board. Come up, short line, back, down to the line, and kick. Don't take your pen off the board. Come up, short line, back down the line for your R. Now, back up to the top and make a little bridge. Don't forget to dot your I. Okay, now we've got air. We're going to add something to the front of air to make it into a word. And we're going to add a. Okay, so let's go to the front of our word. Go up, make a hook. Then we go down under the line, loop and kick. Okay, when you've done that, you need to do your dots and dashes. Air. Now you've written your word and you've done your dots and dashes, you're going to read that word to me. Here we go. Could you tell what the word is? Let's do it together. Air. Fair. Like going to the fair. Oh, I'd love to go to the fair. That would be great. Right, guys, well done. We're going to move on to our challenge now. We love a challenge. So you need to make sure you've got a line on your board ready for your writing. Now I'm going to ask you to stop the video in a minute and you're going to have a go at writing this word on your own. Okay? So have a look at the picture. What can we see here? It's a hairbrush. So your word, big challenge today, is to write hairbrush. Use your robot arms. I'm going to give you 10 seconds, but you can stop the video and have more time if you want it. Ready, steady, go. Two and one. Okay, here we go. We're going to try and write hairbrush together now. So, hair. Let's sound out hair first. Air, hair. Right, so we're going to need our and then we're going to join on our air sound. So, a, I, r, hair. And it's the same word, so on this word we're going to put brush. So let's sound out brush. It starts with a, b, and then you've got r. So b, r, a, sh. Okay, so the first sound is a b. Joining that one on. Then we need a r, a, sh. Okay. When you've done that, dots and dashes time. Here we go. Shh. Hairbrush. Wow, when you've done that, that's fantastic. Give yourself a big tick. That was a super challenge today. Okay, our challenge is now finished. So when you've written this word and done your dots and dashes, I want you to rub it off and I want you to put your lid on your pen. You've got 10 seconds. And 1. Make sure everything is in a tidy pile and there's nothing in your hands because we need to put our hands in the air. Put them over here, put them over there, ready for our common exception words. Okay, everybody joining in. Even if you've got adults in the room at home, get them to stand up and join in with you. Here we go, guys. Shake those hands. Get yourself ready. There we go. Said. So, do, have, like, some, come, there, little, one, when, out, what? Amazing! Well done, everyone. Now it's your chance to have a go on your own. So having a look down here, can you tell me what this common exception word is? There. Have. Do. Amazing, very good. Now we're going to need our boards again now because we are going to be writing our common exception words. And the reason that we need to practice our writing is because we cannot use our robot arms to spell a common exception word. We just got to remember in our heads what it looks like and write it down. So get yourself ready, draw a line on your board and hold your pen. 5 seconds. 2 and 1. Okay, as always, I'm going to give you a sneaky peek and then you're going to have 5 seconds to write your word. Then we're going to do it together. Your first common exception word is she. She. Ready to write she? Ready, steady, go. 2 and 1. Right, so I know that she starts with a sh, so that's a s and a h. And I know it's not the E sound, so it must be a eh. Okay, let's see if we've got it. Everyone ready? Here we go. She, sh, sh, yes. Okay, if you got that right, give it a tick. If you need to fix it now. Ready to go on to our next common exception word? Sneaky peek time. Your next one is all. All. Get ready to write all on the line. Ready, steady, go. 2 and 1. All. I can hear the all sound, but I think there's something that goes at the start. I think it's a ah. Okay, so let's do an ah and the all sound. See if we've got that one right. Here we go. So ah, all, yes. If you need to fix it, do it now. Then you can give yourself a tick. Okay, ready for our last one now. Here we go, guys. Our last common exception word is my. My. Get ready to write my. Ready, steady, go. 2 and 1. My. I know it's not the I sound in that, so I think it must be a and a yeah. Let's see if that's right. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Another tick. Make sure you've got 3 ticks. So if any of those you didn't get quite right, write them properly now. Then you can have 3 ticks. When you've got 3 ticks, you can rub your board off. Well done. Put your lids back on your pens, please. 5 seconds to get yourselves ready. And 1. Okay. So now we're going to practice our high frequency words. So we're going to go through all of the words, blending them together, then we're going to go through them again, just saying them. Remember, the more we practice this, the easier it's going to be. So everyone take a deep breath in, get yourselves ready. Here we go. What, it, all, will. At, that. It's, this. Then. Then. What, if, with. See. Or, for. Out, now. Down. Look. Ask. To. Put. Well done, everybody. Now let's try it without doing the blending. Here we go. Will. That. This. Then. With. See. For. Now. Down. Look. Ask. To. Put. Fantastic! Really good, everybody. Here we go, next page. Alien! Oh my goodness me. Okay, so now we need to find which is the alien word, which is the real word. We know that it's an alien word because it doesn't make any sense. We've never heard of it before. So let's have a look and see which of these words we think is an alien word. See if we get the right one. So, you guys have been really good at reading these on your own. I'm going to use dots and dashes again to help you, and I want you to have a go at doing this on your own at home. Okay? Everyone ready? Off you go. Let's have a go at that one together. Plea. Anyone heard of a plea before? Have you ever seen a plea? Not sure about that one. Let's try the next one. Everyone ready to do your reading? Here we go. Let's try that one together. Year. Oh, like how many years was it? I think I've heard of that word before, but I'm not sure about a plea. Are you 4 pleas old or 4 years old? Which one? It's years. Let's put across through years and see if we found the right alien word. Here we go. Plea. Yay! Well done, everyone. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, let's try that again. I'm going to do the dots and dashes to help you, and you're going to do the reading at home. Ready, steady, go. Let's do that one together. Fair. Go to a fair. Oh, okay, let's try the next one on your own again. Ready, guys? Let's try that one together. Yeah. Can you go to a fair? Can you go to a yeah? I think I might know which one's the real word. Which one do you think's the real word? It's fair. Let's see if we've got that right. Yeah. Yay! Okay, let's go on to our next page. Now, we have been finding out all about our aliens in our new alien story. So let's see what they've got up to so far. Now, we've already read these sentences together, so I'm going to read these ones to you, and then we're going to read one together in a minute. Scoob and Garp will go to the park. They like the swings. Lork kicks his football high. It gets stuck in a tree. Stroud can get the ball. He can climb the tree. Okay, let's see what happens next then. So I can see that there are some green words and there are some red words. Can you tell me what the green words are? They are high frequency words, and the red words are common exception words. Okay, let's do all of our high frequency words first. Everyone getting ready to blend? Here we go. Gets, or, for, is, and. Excellent, well done. Now let's have a look at our common exception words. What is this one? The. Very good. This one is to. Fantastic. And we have. And this one is a. Really good reading. Well done, everyone. Now let's read the whole sentence together using our blending. Here we go. Stroud gets the ball for Lork. Stroud gets the ball for Lork. Lork is happy. So this is not a common exception word, but it's one that we can't blend, so happy. And asks Stroud to have a match. Very good reading, everyone. Well done for keeping up. Now we're going to do it together. This time we're going to fluently read it. So it's going to be my turn, then our turn, then it's your turn. Okay, so you need to make sure you're looking at the end of the pointer so you know which word we are reading. And make sure you're joining in. Ready? My turn. Stroud gets the ball for Lork. Lork is happy and asks Stroud to have a match. Let's try that together. Stroud gets the ball for Lork. Lork is happy and asks Stroud to have a match. Try it on your own. Really good try, guys. That was a super long 2 sentences there. So well done for giving it a try. So Stroud managed to get the ball back for Lork, and now they're going to have a football match. That's so cool. So we're going to write a sentence now. If you would like to write your own sentence about the aliens playing football, you can stop the video and do it now. Make sure that when you're finished, you do your dots and dashes and you read your sentence to your grown-up. Everyone else, we're going to write our own sentence. We're going to write, I can, not play, because play is a bit of a tricky word. Let's have a football match. Let's have a football match. So that's, let's have a football match. Okay, we can do this. 5 words. Some of them are a little bit tricky, but we'll do it together. So the first word is going to be let's. You're going to need 2 lines on your whiteboard, so I'm going to give you 5 seconds to get yourselves ready. Make sure you're holding your pen ready for writing. And 1. So our first word is let's, and let's is going to need to have a capital letter. So we need a capital L, which looks like this. So at the start of your sentence on this side of the board, do your capital L. Now we use our robot arm to do the rest of the word. So let's, L, E, T, S, let's. So we need an E, T, S, let's. Don't forget to cross your T. Okay, so let's. Next one is a common exception word, have. And to spell have, we do a have. Don't forget finger spaces. When you've written let's have, it's another common exception word, a, which is just an a. Let's have a. Our next word is two words which go together. So we need football, football. Let's do foot to start with. So we've got foot. So finger space. And then we need to have balls. That is a b and all. So we've got a b, and then our all, common exception word, a, all. Let's have a football. Our last word is match. So football, match. Match, a, t, ch, match. A, match. Okay, and don't forget when you finish your sentence, you're going to need a full stop. When you've done your writing, you are going to do your dots and dashes. I'm going to give you a 10-second head start for the dots and dashes today. So when you're ready, steady, go. And 1. Okay, I'm going to join you. Remember, if you need more time, just pause the video. L, E, T, S, let's. A, have. A, t, b, all, football. At, ch, match. Okay, now we've done our dots and dashes, we're going to read our sentence using our blending first. Here we go. Let's have a football at match. Right, let's do that again without the blending. Let's have a football match. Brilliant job. Now I want you to hold your board in front of you and I want you to read your sentence to me. Ready, steady, go. Yes, well done everybody. Now when you've done that, I want you to take your board to show your grown-up and read it to them as well. Thank you for doing some fantastic learning today and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye!